Want to turn every study session into a brain-boosting adventure? Stick around, because I'm about to share science-backed hacks that will make your next exam feel like a victory lap. Hey, future geniuses! Welcome again to our channel, Rapid Mind Hacks. If you've ever stared at your notes and thought, why isn't this sinking in? You're in good company. Today we'll blend neuroscience, real-world stories, and a pinch of humor to help you study smart, not just hard. Part 1. Micro-stories over mind maps. Mind maps look cool, but your hippocampus craves stories. So instead of sprawling diagrams, wrap each fact in a tiny tale. Learning photosynthesis? Imagine DJ chlorophyll mixing sunlight into sugar beets. Suddenly, the equations stick like your favorite song chorus. Part 2. Pomodoro power. Focus wanes fast. Your prefrontal cortex needs breaks. Try 25 minutes of pure study, then a 5-minute dance party. Med student Sarah swapped 6-hour creams for Pomodoros and boosted her recall by 40%. Warning, spontaneous victory dances may ensue. Part 3. Active recall plus spaced repetition. Reading isn't enough. Close the book and teach the material to an imaginary friend or your sleepy cat. That's an active recall. Then revisit that same topic after 1 day, 3 days, and 1 week. This spacing effect cements knowledge far longer than a single marathon session. Part 4. Study space and mindset. Your brain hates clutter, so clear your desk and let in natural light. Swap I have to study for I get to learn. That gratitude shift melts stress, unlocking curiosity instead of panic. Plus, put one motivational quote where you can see it. Just don't let it collect dust. Turn facts into micro-stories, harness Pomodoro bursts, flex your memory with active recall and spaced reviews, and optimize your space and mindset. Pick one hack, try it today, and watch your study sessions transform. If this helped, and if you arrived here, thank you for watching Rapid Mind Hacks. Until this moment, smash that like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Because next week we're diving into personalized study challenges to level up your learning game. Keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, studying well is all about smart strategy, not endless grind. See you soon.